while many people want to have many things at home, but one thing that which was lagging was a food assistant. My name is Sudhakar Bhat and I'm from coastal Karnataka and been in Bangalore for 20 plus years now, and she's my wife, Gayatri. I work as a quality head for one of the leading multinational organization.
When it comes to hobbies, of course, one is the cooking, which I really love. Second thing is gardening. We have lots of plants. We have a terrace garden as well.
So anything that that can enhance the quality of our life on a day-to-day basis is something that I'm really interested in. So Delishop we came to know from our close relative, and once we got to know about it, we were very curious because I have that passion for early adoption of these technologies, because I believe that technology will enable us and it will increase the quality of our day-to-day life. It will enable somebody and it will help us. It's a multifunctional device, so anything, it will only increase the possibility. So that's where I was really fired up, and we heard about it and we got excited, and then before the trial period is over, we booked the product and we have it. We have a lot of assistant at home. I have a RoboVac which cleans my floor and mops my floor, and dishwasher, all those things. All these are enabling us and saving certain amount of time. But the only deficiency was with the cooking assistant, and thanks to Upliance, they made it available. We were earlier confined to the things that we are aware of, right? So this opens up that possibility of tasting, not just the things that we are comfortable with, or otherwise I would not have experienced or explored anything maybe Italian or so. Definitely we have a lot of possibility now, and not just what we have been knowing, but something which surprises us as a new menu over there, and we kind of explore it and we enjoy.